It's Thursday, we're behind schedule. This is us getting ready to leave for King of the Hammers. Wow. There's Vince's fine piece of machinery. Got the Explorer all shined up, ready to go. It's packed full of firewood. See it in there. Tony's over here wiping down the rig. And we're gonna go pack up the trailer. We're gonna go hook up a trailer, which my dad I've never done before, so it might be interesting.
Well, right now we're just gonna pick up this trailer.
Oh, that's pretty diamond like I hit the peel.
How's that, Mike?
I don't know, dude.
The wheel?
Bent the wheel!
So you bent your axle, not the wheel, but the axle.
Fuck. This is Richie. Say hello, Richie.
Hello, Richie. Oh.
So Richie is our neighbor, local drag racer, and he's renting us this badass trailer so we can haul our cars. Thank you very much, Richie.
You're more than welcome.
Tony's just being awkward over there.
Just hanging out. Being Tony.
Long day to get out of town, but we're rolling. We're just driving the Intimidator over, driving the 2021 so we can put it on the trailer. And Tony's driving Hippo back there. There it is. Tony's driving Hippo. So we can put a trailer on that one. Take another car. All right. It's Friday morning. Sun's almost up. We're about ready to leave for King of the Hamburgers. Whoa. King of the Hamburgers, hot tone.
We made it.
We're here, no problems.
Yeah, no problems at all. You know, it's a little nippy, but I think we're gonna get through it. Have a good time.
We're gonna get through it. It's really not even cold. Tony's just always cold all the time. Anyways, this is an amazing sight. We found our friend Jeff over here. We'll show you Jeff in a little bit. Vince is pulling up with the Exploder. But this is such a thing. What's up, Vince?
Not much. What's going on, Michael?
Nothing.
Finally made it here.
Yep. Just scoping the scene.
Open the scene.
Don't you hate like when the camera's rolling and you like think you have to do something, but you can just stand there because it could not be used at all or just be B-roll?
Yeah.
25-year-old Mike would think this is fucking rad as fuck.
Yeah.
35-year-old Mike think this is rad as fuck, but it's really stressful. It's a lot of work.
It's a lot of work.
And not to mention money.
A lot of money.
A lot of money. But we're fucking here at King of the Hammers. We're gonna throw it down. We're probably gonna win the overall.
Overall.
Definitely gonna win Best Explorer.
I think we already won that like
That's
3 years in a row. Hands down, reigning champ.
Uh-huh. And we're gonna win Best Bronco 2.
Oh yeah.
That's easy.
Yeah. Since there's only 2 out here.
Right. Definitely Best Bronco 1. What do you even call that thing? Bronco 4? Because this is technically a Bronco 3, the Explorer.
Yes.
We don't have the OG Bronco here. Bronco 3, Bronco 2, Bronco 4s. Uh-huh. Oakley dokley, neighbor. Boys are unpacking firewood out of the firewood hauler / race car.
That's right.
Hi, babe. Hi, baby.
Hi.
Say hi. Say we made it to King of the Hamburgers. Hi, Lemon. What's up, dog? So we got everything offloaded, all the cars, but now the most important part. Vince needs to unload his smoker.
Very difficult because I got 1 inch on either side.
Right. Pretty stressful, huh?
Yeah, and I think the toe got a little messed up in the toe.
Yeah, the alignment's now off on the smoker.
Yeah.
Did I mention I'm hungry?
I'm hungry.
Okay, good. We're on the same page.
I haven't eaten since like 4 hours ago.
few inches later. Twenty minutes later.
Mike, is that a Pro Series?
Yeah.
Okay, check it. Those off-road wheels?
Yeah.
They look like rollerblade wheels.
There's the barbecue up top
Well,
here.
actually, missed the green tape.
Got that, Vince?
Yeah.
You want to go back this way?
Yeah.
How are you gonna get through the green tape?
She's evil.
I got one. He's a tiny one. He's just a pain in the ass.
Yeah. Lemon. Yeah.
Hey,
He's pretty chill.
come here.
It's the altitude, Jen.
Later that same evening.
I'll show you. She's over there somewhere.
Woo!
12 seconds later.
Is that where you want it?
Yeah. You showed off with it too.
That's right. Good going, girl. Look at her. You're doing it. It's day 69. All right, let's go up Turkey Claws. This is my first time.
My first time too.
Yeah,
I did it last night. It was fun.
we're gonna find out what it's like to be a real life rock crawler boy.
Yeah. I guess if that's. I'll figure that one out too.
Rock crawling with Nick Sawyers. I want like just a big old
Rainbow.
Yeah.
There you go.
Well, we all fit comfortably in this thing.
Yeah, not bad, huh?
Tell me about all these things.
There's sticks, and when you get in trouble, you just start doing stuff until it does the right thing, and magic happens in there. So.
All right. Well, I'm sure you'll show us.
Yeah.
Lemon's following us.
Really?
Made you guys all look.
We drop down into the turkey crotch. Move some levers around.
Chinese fire drill.
One of your shocks is busted.
Ghost riding.
Uh-huh.
So there you have it. Rock crawling with Nick Sawyers. It's day 69 and Vince and Nick are using a shotgun tool.
That's cold.
I got brain freeze.
Look, it went all the way through.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that engineering. It's a beer holder and it's a fire poker.
Okay.
So when the ground's soft, you can stick it in there and go like that.
Okay. That's
Then
And
Just
then it
silent.
says loose and lost on it.
yeah. That's pretty smart.
Yeah.
Ingenuity.
Pink.
Too.
Well, good job,
Well,
boys.
Let's go.
This side center.
I have no steering.
This side.